Now, how good you were at mathematics in your schools and colleges? Was maths your favorite subject?
In school, I enjoyed maths, and I always had a knack for numbers. So I remember numbers very easily. But in college, I didn't do maths because I took arts.
Hmm.
So I didn't have maths in college.
Okay. So was it you're so good, and then you were good in mathematics in your school then?
Yeah, yes, I was good in maths. I was good in maths.
Okay. What was your first reaction when people said you are going to portray this mathematician's role? Because so many people would have told you stories of the films which they are planning for. But this is little bit fascinating. Like, what was your first response?
No, when Anu Menon, the writer-director of the film, came home and she told me that she wanted to make a biopic on Shakuntala Devi, I thought that itself was, fascinating, because she was a mathematician, known the world over as a human computer. Her name is in the Guinness Book of World Records. So I thought, wow, I thought that was, all this is reason enough. But then when she told me about her life, I started getting more and more interested and intrigued, because there were so many layers to her personality. And, thankfully for us, Anupama Banerjee and Ajay, her daughter and son-in-law, had shared information with Anu Menon, which lent itself to the kind of wholesome storytelling that you see in the film. So it's not a one-sided, glorified puff piece. So I said, wow, I definitely want to tell this story.
And how did you prepare yourself?
I sat a lot with the director, Anu Menon, trying to understand Shakuntala Devi as a person, trying to, just understand how the mind of a genius works. At the same time, to be able to see her as a woman, as a human being. So I think I had lots of conversations with Anu Menon. And of course, then I watched her videos, I read articles about her, and I listened to tapes that had conversations between Anu Menon and Anupama Banerjee and Ajay. So it gave me a sense of who she was really.
Mm-hmm. Then the experience of transforming into the mathematical wizard.
It was great fun, because you also see Shakuntala Devi from her 20s into her 60s. So there was a lot of scope for physical transformation. So, my costume designer, Niharika, who also did the dirty picture, it was a big challenge for her to slowly, bring about the transformation in the way she dressed according to her age. And we had lots of references to fall back on, but also Shreya Sanshalaka, my makeup artist and hairdresser. They all did a lot of referencing, spent a lot of time with Anu Menon, and I did lots of costume trials to just, try and look like her, because we actually don't look similar. So just to get that likeness of the person. And then, of course, the emotional graph. That was, again, I think, just conversations with the director. Then the maths shows I was very concerned about, because I wanted to have the energy she had in those maths shows. She was very fast, she was very witty, all that in a maths show which you normally think of as boring. So a lot of my energy went into getting those maths shows right.
Okay. So, how challenging the role was to portray? See, like if it is a lawyer or a doctor or a housewife or a radio jockey, all these things you might have portrayed, and it is a usual unnamed character. People don't identify you as a doctor or any professional in that role. But it's a well-known celebrity you are portraying.
Yeah.
In that case, how do you prepare yourself and then transform?
Like I said, I watched her videos, And I tried to capture the essence of a person because physically there are not too many similarities between us. But I tried to adopt some of her mannerisms that I saw in her videos, in her math shows.
For
And
example,
just, yeah, and just to, the more I started understanding her as a person, I realized that she enjoyed being on stage, she enjoyed the attention, she made maths fun for people. So I think all this slowly started. I don't know how it happens, but I think it takes some time and then it happens. So I don't have any straight, easy answer to this question.
it's some of the mannerisms you observed in the videos and other things you adopted.
Yeah.
Can you start to like that?
Sorry?
Example, now these few mannerisms you observed in the videos, you adopted in the film.
Yeah.
Yeah, can you name one or two? Recall one or two in that. Like the way
Just her attitude. She always walked with her head held high. There was a certain confidence in the way she walked, all those things. And the
Okay.
slight South Indian accent.
Okay. What is the most challenging scene to act?
I think the math shows were the most challenging, but were also the most fun.
How did you manage?
With preparation, sir. I prepared, like I told you, I spoke a lot to my director, Anu Menon. And of course, it was all there in the script. So, it was not like I had to make the scenes fun. On paper itself, it was very energetic, it was very fun, and I had to just inhabit that. And that happened with a lot of my conversations with Anu Menon helped.
What is the most cherishable appreciation you will recall for this performance? Even if it is during the shooting, it is fine.
No, actually, the kind of reactions that I'm getting to this film, people are writing long messages, telling me how someone wrote to me saying she's missed her mother a lot after watching the film. So she went into her mother's room and hugged her in the middle of the night. Someone else wrote to me saying she suddenly booked tickets to go see her mother who lives in another city. And then the fact that, a lot of women are feeling very inspired that they can have their own dreams, they can own their own dreams, and that it's not wrong to have your own dreams and ambitions for yourself. So these kind of reactions, it's like, and the most beautiful thing is when people tell me that we didn't see Vidya Balan anywhere in the film. That's the best compliment. And I'm very grateful to be getting those reactions from a whole lot of people.
You portrayed the popular down south actress Silk in the previous film. You portrayed Shakuntala Devi. Both are extreme beauties. Like it's just a glamour doll of the film you portrayed, and there's a maths genius record. What's the difference you find?
Huge, sir. Between north and south. They're very different people, and they're both very different from me. So
that's easier of the two.
Now, when I look back, I feel the Dirty Picture was definitely easier than Shakuntala Devi. Because here's a very complex mind. So to be able to portray that complexity with vulnerability was definitely tough.
From the day Anu approached you for doing the film and the smashing success and then the reaction you are getting, in between, which is the most cherishing moment concerning this film?
When Anupama Banerjee, Shakuntala Devi's daughter, watched the film and then told me, she said, "You were her." And that is the best compliment that I could possibly receive. It was a high. After that, I felt like, okay, now, now I'm on safe ground.
Moving on from the film. See, very few people from South are successful in Hindi films, especially the females. And what do you attribute your success in Hindi films?
No, I think all our female superstars have been South girls, you know, whether it was Vaijantimala Bali, Padmini, Hema Malini, Rekha, Aishwarya Rai, you know, you name them. So many big superstars are from the South, female superstars. So,
what contributes to your success? How do you sum it up?
to my success, lots of things. God's grace, the blessings of my parents, my own passion for what I do, and the fact that I've been very fortunate to work with people who've had faith in me and brought out the best in me.
How you are doing more films in South, especially Tamil films?
I'm not doing anything as of now, but hopefully someday.
So you would like to see you.
Sorry?
We would like to see you here.
Thank you, thank you. Hopefully someday, soon.
But see, in the film also, because it, you know, the character starts better and 20 to 60, that you portrayed it different. But in general, always been your shape and figure has always been a subject of talk in the industry. Now, how do you respond to that?
Because there was nothing else to talk about, sir. There was no controversy. There was no unprofessionalism. So I guess, you know, they needed to find some fault. So it's fine.
Your most favorite South Indian stars, male and female?
Kamal Hassan.
Then?
What an actor. Absolutely love him. Revati. What a fantastic actor. And what grace she has. Then lots. Lakshmi, Julie Lakshmi. Even outside Tamil. Mohanlal, one of my favoriteest actors. Tilagan sir. Yeah. Lots.
If you more time, you will add more people to the list.
Yeah, exactly.
Okay. Once I say Chennai, immediately what comes to your mind?
Kanjivaram sarees. The best Kanjivaram sarees.
Good. See,
and temple jewelry.
Okay. See, in the film, once again, for the sake of film, there have been little bit addition which were not so really happened in her life. That's what.
Like
Shakuntala's life, real life. For the
like,
film, was there any little bit modification than the reality for the sake of film?
No, sir. No, because these were, you know, this is what was shared with Anu Menon by her daughter. So everything that you see is what actually happened through the eyes of the daughter.
Okay. See, I'll recall one incident which Shakuntala Devi told me. She went to Germany. When she landed at the airport, she did not know who has come to pick her up.
Okay.
So there are a lot of people holding a placard in the waiting area.
Right.
You are looking one by one. There was one card which had a very difficult problem. She went straight to him and then wrote the answer. So they identified. And she was that. This she told me.
You know, this is, I think, from what I know of her, it's absolutely sounds like something she would do.
Okay. Thank you so much.
Thank you very much.
Thank you very much. I'll keep you posted about this once it is published.
Yes.
We also have an online video section in the magazine.
Okay.
Whatever we have recorded now, if it's shared through WeShare or something like that, I can upload this conversation original also for the online edition. In addition to that, for the print media, I'll transcribe and write.
Okay, great. So you guys will take care of that now?